So we are going to see Quora question duplicate pairs question problem, but along with that we are going to see building a Streamlit application like this, which will show me which will show me about which will give me a complete application wherein I can pass questions and also check the similarity. So this is the data set here. A 0 indicates that the questions are not duplicate and a 1 indicates questions are duplicate. Like for example, how can I be good geologist? What should I do to be a great geologist? These are duplicate questions. But the questions like, can I hack my Charter Motorola DCX? How do I hack Motorola this for free internet? Now these two questions are taken differently. That is, these are not duplicates. So first of all, we have the imports and we also have the stop words. From the stop words, we remove the text, so not include the stop words, and then apply TF-IDF vectorizer on this. Here, the main focus is on having a simple model and building a Streamlit application out of this. So the details of applying various techniques, working on various features, can be looked into separately. So here I calculate the cosine similarity between the two words. And here that becomes the x, and I have the y indicating if it is a duplicate or not. I train a simple model, logistic regression model, and then whatever is the model, I store it in a file called Quora model, and whatever is the TF-IDF that I have used, that also gets pickled here. This was not there. Now I make use of ngrok here. Ngrok will basically help my collab work to be exposed to the internet. So here I make use of this so that I can deploy and see the output using ngrok. If I'm working on this in the local system, I need not make use of ngrok. So here, this is how the file is getting created. I save the model as a pickle file. I am now creating an app.py. Now app.py includes the Streamlit file, and here I load the model and the vectorizer for the text that is there, and I give the title as this, ask the user to enter both the questions. And once the user clicks on the button check similarity, if both the questions are not there, I ask the user to enter both the questions and then apply pre-processing on the questions. So pre-processing will convert into lowercase and it will remove the stop words that are there, and then applying the vectorizer object. The vectorizer object was here. Checking on the cosine similarity on the vectorized object, and using that to predict the probability, and then finally printing the result. What is the cosine similarity, what is the prediction, whether it is similar or not similar, and what is the confidence. So with ngrok I can set my authentication token here, and here I you pass the command streamlit run app.py. This is my app.py file. It will start Streamlit in the background, and it will connect to a particular port, and then it will be available at this particular site. So when you click on this site, immediately you will not see the output. You just have to click on that button, visit site, and then you will see it. And this is the simple application that is built here using Streamlit. Again, I'm not able to enter here, but I had entered this because as of now the site is not up. So there was some and I can run this file again. No, but I'll have to enter my authentication token. So this is how the output will look like. So this is how we make a simple model. I have done everything using Collab. You can make use of Jupyter Notebook also. But then we save the model and the pre-processing. Then create a Streamlit file, call the model, and then print the results. So this is how a simple UI can be created for the model that we are building.